Bloody waters, every day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm Ebony J, and we're gonna be doing a wig video today. This wig, I've been seeing everybody had this wig. Don't look at my bed. I'm traveling and packing. Elim, this is the Elim short curly wig. So it's supposed to be really convenient to just throw on. I have to braid our hair down first, and then we are going to throw the wig on. I heard it's super easy to install, so I'm gonna put my hair in like 2 braids, and then I'm going to literally throw the wig on and finesse. Hopefully this takes me about 20 minutes because I have somewhere to be. I have to pack my bag and I have to get going. I'm so excited because it's supposed to be like an easy wig. Something with no lace. Because it's hot. It's hot in Houston. It's hot. And literally that's it. I don't think my edges will show for this wig, so. Ooh, so of course it comes with the wig. I got the color black. I think this is just a 1B, or this might be like a jet black. A little brush comb, thank God. A wig bag. I have tons of wig bags in my closet. 100% heat resistant fiber, wig material, net cap, skin friendly wig cap. Let's see how comfortable this is, y'all. We're really just like reviewing this wig. I know it's gonna be lit because everybody has this wig, but this is really like a review. So this part with the circle, I think, is the front. It has one comb on the left, one comb on the right. Then this is the back, and it has an adjustable strap in the back, so you can make it tighter or looser as you need to. I think this will be tight enough. I'm gonna adjust it just a little bit. She's a little tight. Hold on. I might have to adjust it. Hold on. No. I think in general this is not big head friendly. So I don't think I have a big head, but I can see it being a little tight though. Like it's this wig is snug. Baby, snug. I'm gonna brush her out and see how my head feels, but this wig is a little tight, and I don't think it asks for my cap size. Are brushing out beautifully. Wow, that was pretty. This is like the perfect brush for this wig. Wow. Wow. Okay, she brushed out really cute, and it's really soft. I wonder how long this wig will last. I heard this wig lasts like forever. Okay, might have to cut the bangs, of course. I haven't had black hair in so long. This is so weird. Honestly, the older this wig probably gets, the better it'll look. I don't think I need all this right here. I might cut that off. Yeah, I feel like that's just a lot of hair. I cut this off. Too much hair off. These pieces gotta go. Nope. Oh, that's so much better, yeah. The curls on this is so cute. I want to shape it, but I just don't know how. Yeah, let's cut this a little bit. Cut the sides. And I'm cutting like at a sideways angle, not like just straight, you know? Oh yeah, that made it like flatter a little bit. I love it's like pin curls, like, wow. Okay, so yeah, something's a little too thick right here, so. I don't want to cut it too much, so let's cut that one further down like this. Yeah. Let's grab this side. Period. Period. Something else got to be done though. The bangs, something is too thick. The bangs might be a little thick, baby. Yeah. Let's try to cut it slightly, not too much. Okay, I might gotta come back to this wig. It's still a little tight, but it's snug. It's like on. I didn't even use the combs yet, so. But it's up there. I need to do my makeup and stuff and see how I feel and come back. So, yeah, let me do that and come back. Okay, now that my makeup's on, I can kind of see, I don't know how this helped, but I can see the wig better. And I see that these pieces on the side are a little long. Yeah, it needs to be like framed for my face. So let's cut that. Cut that. Cut that. So much better. And this wig is still a little snug. Like, I don't like that it's so tight. I'm gonna have to cut something in the back, because this is a cute wig, but I don't want to lose circulation over no wig, you know? So yeah, cute. I look so much better now that I framed it to my face. But yeah, y'all, should I make her a little shorter? A bob, or leave it how it is? Maybe I should leave this shit on. But yeah, now that I framed it towards my face, it's looking better and better. I just made like an opening to my face, you know? And yeah, okay. Now I can finish getting ready. But I need to cut something in the back of this wig because it's way too snug. Or maybe it's just because I have a lot of hair, so my hair underneath is not really like flat, so maybe it just feels really tight because my hair is not flat enough. But let me brush out the back, because I don't know what the back looks like. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Might need to brush it out. So I'm gonna give y'all an update on this wig. I'm going to Austin for the weekend, so yeah. Okay, yeah, cute. I'm gonna get dressed and yeah, see y'all later. The skirt is cute. Yeah, it's coming together. Shoes, nothing else to add here. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know. Bye.